Now all I'm going to do is turn that end in and then hopefully catch that, do a little tacking stitch. And then I'm just going to, oops, do a running stitch all the way across the top. As you can see, I've got these two trims in, which is this one, and we've more than this, but it's the chunky tassel trim. It's absolutely gorgeous. We've also got in the finer one, and you just take this off and you end up with a gorgeous tassel. That's a lot finer thread, where the other one's slightly different. But I'm making flowers from them. So this is the shorter, chunkier one, and this is the longer, finer one. What I like about them, they go really well together. Now I'm not saying I'm going to keep, that's quite a large flower, but I like it. So I might just keep as is. And I've got some trim in here that I'm going to put on. I've got some cameos with some centres that I'm going to also add, because I think that's going to look fab. Although I might change my mind now I've just seen it. Stick pin, backing, and some leaves. Yeah, I'm not sure whether I'm going to do that. I've just seen that and I might not want to do that at all. I might want to do a flower. So, now we do sell these. We sell all of this in the shop apart from the beaded trim, which I will be getting that in. Now we sell these, and these have been amazingly popular for us. Mainly because they're very stiff, they're very firm, they don't flatten, so they keep the shape. And I just basically take off the heads for my flowers. Oh, I like that better. I like that far better, so that's how it's going to be, so we're not wasting those. I'm not sure if I want to put that on first. Yes, I'm going to do that. And not the cameo. Okay. So I'm going to lift the top flowers off and we'll put them back on shortly. For the bottom section, I've taken 6 strands of the bead. And you have to be really careful because this can come off. You know, it can loosen all the others once you've cut it. So I turn mine in and seal it. Like that, and then I will just add the 2 pieces together. Like that, and it just protects it, but it gives you that tassel. So what I'm going to do now is add it to my flower. Like that. I don't want it to be too high up because you're not going to see any of the tassels, so I'm just going to pull that down a little bit. Take my other flower, and it's all cotton, so it's really soft and fluffy, and then just lay that on top there. So make sure we've got that, so you can see the tassel underneath like that, and they look gorgeous. Now I've got to do this, so I'm just taking some of these. We're waiting for this to come back in the shop. I did sell it, but we sold out. Because you can cut these up. They're really good trims to be able to, you know, trim around. And I leave that top section on. Sometimes I just take it off. Because I just want to add touches. Like that, just little touches. I'm going to put 3 on, I think. Yeah, I'll be generous today and put 3 on. These flowers will be for sale. Now I've got a couple of things I've decided, because I make bags, don't I, beaded bags, and I've decided to auction one off. I'll share that with you in a minute. Do I want it like that? Yes, I do. I like that. So then we're going to put this one on. Oops. It's kind of like an ovalish flower. Oh yeah, love that. Going to add my rose in. Just look at that. Turn it over and pop the back on it. Then it can go onto a clip if somebody chooses. Like that. Turn that back over. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then I'm going to stick the pin in. Stick pin. In there. Now, oops, wait a minute. Come here, wait. My bead came off. I am going to be gluing it in. So that has to go in there. That's it. Now, because I want that little dangle bit to show at the front, I'm just going to cut that there. And then we can stick. That's beautiful. Love it. So I'm just going to pull that back for the stick pin to hold in place there. And we've got the little dangly bit as well, which we can use left or right. Doesn't. Oh, that's it. That's nice. Yeah, I like that. That's really pretty. Nice size too. So now I'm going to take this one and we're going to do similar. We put that beading trim, that was it. Just wondering what was first. See, if that thread comes undone, it's going to undo all of the beading. So I'll just fold that again. And you have an instant tassel. Alright, I'm coming down in a minute. Oh, Ray's just made me a nice coffee. So let's get that into place. I'm going to take hold of this. Pop that in place. Pop our flower on. Now I didn't put the leaves on. And I've not finished with them yet either. Like that. I'm going to pop that in place. Like that. Put the back on. They are so quick and easy to make, but look stunning. There we go, like that. Take these bits out. I'm going to glue that in. Push down on that and stick that in, that'll do. A little tassely bit. I don't know if you can hear Ray coughing. He hasn't got anything, he's just got a little chill. He started weeks ago with a cough. He's had a chest x-ray and they're saying everything's fine. So It's first thing, that's all he does on the morning. He gets up and has a little coffee fit. Isn't that gorgeous? Now I'm not sure if I still want to add some of these to just highlight it and give a little bit more colour. We'll see. I may do, I may not. Love them, and they turned out gorgeous. Very quick, very easy, but you know, they'd cost a fortune if they were bought in the shop. They would. They'd probably have these on sale for about £8 a piece, but not with us. Flowers like this go for £4.50, and yeah, they're gorgeous. I don't have to replace that. Not, I'm just filming. Let me just see. I might reposition that. Oh, can I reposition it? Yes. I think I'll put it in there. Sorry, let me just put that back on. I pulled it off. There we go, just back on. I think we'll put that in there, like that. And then I need to just dismantle that bit again. And I'd get that out. Add those two petals back together, that's it. There we go. Done. They're just gorgeous, and I love them. I hope that's helpful, you know. I will be getting this trimming. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.